What you're seeing through here are polycarbonate panels, 4mm thick, called SUNGLAZE, manufactured by Palram in various tints. The purpose of the SUNGLAZE in this application was to allow transparency to the sky. Their choice of solar grey was to cut out some of that heat. The reason for the opening roof was to allow ventilation, and that was installed by Suncoast Enclosures, which have done a great job as they specialise in these sorts of installs.
Over the years at Suncoast, we've come to specialise in operable roofs, and where we need the area below to be bright, we rely on SUNGLAZE. It's clearly a winner due to it being lightweight and durable. Its joining system is the best in the market, and this makes it easy to install. It's priced better than the alternatives, and it comes in wider panels. These wider panels mean that there's less framing for us, and that leads to a better looking final product.